This video tutorial is to teach you how to upload contacts to your T.O.M database. This is really helpful if you're using another CRM, different platforms, QuickBooks, a different system for invoicing, and you're constantly updating your database. Instead of adding one contact at a time, T.O.M allows you to import a set of data via spreadsheet. So I have an Excel spreadsheet open here with my column headers as well as some data. You need to save your file as a CSV. If you're on a Mac using numbers, you can export to a CSV. If you're on a PC, you'll simply save the file as a CSV. Once you've done that, you'll go ahead into your T.O.M system, and from the menu on the left-hand side, you are going to scroll down to Upload Contacts. First, you need to check that you understand our terms and conditions, and the most important part of our terms and conditions is that you are not uploading a blind list. Anybody you are uploading into T.O.M, you do have permission to communicate with. We do not allow blind lists. We don't want you spamming people through your T.O.M system. Next, you want to select the campaigns that this list is being uploaded to. So you can select more than one. I would assume that you'd always want to apply your holiday campaigns, whether that be email, text, or both. Any dated campaigns for appointment reminders, anniversaries, and then of course, the campaign that is appropriate. If this is a list of people you met networking, you'd apply them to that campaign. Your general entertainment campaign. Again, select all campaigns that you want these contacts uploaded to. Next, you're going to select that file from your computer. And now here's the important part. You want to match the fields from your spreadsheet to the fields that we have in T.O.M. So as you can see, T.O.M pulled all of the column headers from your CSV file here on the left, and then the fields that T.O.M has are on the drop down to the right. So some of these are pretty straightforward. Your spreadsheet said first. In T.O.M, we're going to select first name. Last would be last name, email, that matches, company name, address. Now your spreadsheet said suite number, but in T.O.M that is address 1. Your spreadsheet said zip code. In T.O.M that says postal code. Interest rate, and then you're going to select that field. If you're interested in adding more fields to your system, please select Contact Create Fields in the menu on the left. There is a video tutorial in the top right of that as well, and that is where you can add any of these fields that are pertinent to your business. T.O.M will pull any fields that you have in this drop-down as well. Once you've done this, double check it, make sure they line up, and then click Match All Fields, and then you will upload and start campaign. You also see this checkbox right here to send you a confirmation email once done. Some people don't need the notification, so they leave it unchecked, but if you'd like to know when your contacts have been uploaded, simply select that box, upload and start, and now those contacts have been pushed to the server, and within 15 to 30 minutes, you'll be able to see all of those contacts uploaded into your system and assigned to the appropriate campaigns.